In my last video, we generated 50 AI images in 5 minutes using just our phone. But here's what I didn't tell you. Those images, they're just step one. Today, we're turning all of them into animated videos automatically. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I'll link it below. That's where we use ChatGPT to generate our story scenes and image prompts, bulk created all our character images, and set up the Quetta browser automation system. Because what we're doing today builds on that foundation. Same phone, same free tools, just leveled up. Here's why this matters. Static images, good for posts, but animated videos, that's YouTube Shorts content, Instagram Reels, TikTok clips, and actual monetizable storytelling. And we're not doing this one by one. We're automating the entire batch. Let me show you the system. Open your Quetta browser, same one from part 1. Tap the 3 dots, then extensions. This time, search for Auto Grok and install it. Here's what Auto Grok does. It automates actions inside Grok AI's image-to-video tool. So instead of uploading 50 images manually and clicking Animate 50 times, we run it once, the automation does the rest. Now, remember those images we created in part 1? They're already saved to your phone. But here's the key. We also got animation prompts from ChatGPT in that same session. Critical
so if ChatGPT gave you match image 1 with a warrior standing in the rain, animation prompt 1, camera slowly zooms in, rain intensifies. Those two pieces need to go together. The easiest way? Rename your images warrior_scene1.png, warrior_scene2.png, etc. And keep your prompts in a simple text file in the same order. Open a new tab in Quetta and search for Grok AI. Log in with your account, then tap on Imagine. This opens the image generation interface, but we're using it for animation today. Now tap the 3 dots at the bottom. Go to Extensions, then tap Auto Grok. The Auto Grok control panel will open. First thing, tap Settings. Change the mode from default to Frame to Video. Choose your aspect ratio. I use 16:9 for long YouTube videos. Set download resolution to 720p, highest available. Tap Save. Now go back to the Control tab. Here's where we upload our files. Click Upload Images and select all the images from part 1. Then click Upload Prompts and paste or upload your animation prompts. Critical. Auto Grok will match them in order. Image 1 to prompt 1, image 2 to prompt 2. This is why we organized everything earlier. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview below showing which image is paired with which prompt. Always check this before running. If something's mismatched, reorder your files and re-upload. When everything looks good, tap Run. Now the automation starts. You'll see it upload an image, apply the animation prompt, generate the video, download it, move to the next one. Don't close the browser. Let it run. Grab a coffee. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes for 10 clips. And we're done. Let's open the download folder and see what we got. 50 animated clips, each one motion tracked to its specific scene. This is what bulk automation looks like. One session, one phone, entire content library created. Let's connect the dots. Part 1, we automated image generation using ChatGPT plus Whisk plus Auto Whisk. Part 2, we automated video generation using those same images plus Grok plus Auto Grok. You now have a phone-based AI production system that goes to animated content without touching a laptop. That's not a tutorial. That's a workflow. If you missed part 1, it's pinned in the comments. Watch it next because these 2 videos are a complete system. And if you want part 3, where we add AI voiceovers and lip sync to these clips, comment part 3 below. Hit subscribe if you're serious about building faceless content with just your phone. I'll see you in the next one.